Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set a sale price on a product in Odoo. So setting a sale price in Odoo is one of the most important steps when preparing your online store because it determines how much customers will pay. So actually guys, first you will need just to go and click on the website model, that one. And here you will need to go with the e-commerce option that's located at the top bar between the reporting and site options, and then go and click on the products, the first option on the product section. So now guys, you will need to click on the products that you want to edit. Okay, so you will find a list of the products right here, or you can just go with that. So you will need just to select a specific product and click it, right? And then find the sales price field. So inside the product form, look for sales price. So this is the main price customers see in your shop, and then enter your price. So type the amount you want to charge, like $10, 25.99 dollars extra. So Odoo will automatically use this price on website store, sales order, and invoices. And once finished, you will need just to save the product. Okay, so just go and click on save, and the new price is then or now active. And also guys, I really want you to make sure that the product is published, otherwise customers won't see it even if the price is set. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.